Next, we'll learn about the Insert tab. So we'll go to the Insert tab. So under Insert tab, there are a few tabs which we frequently use. Okay. So under the Insert tab, you'll find the Pages group, 1, 2, 3, Tables, Illustrations, Links, Header and Footer, Text, Symbols, Flash. Okay. So there are how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we don't normally use Flash. So these are the 7 groups. So the most important group is your illustration and text. Okay. I'll just teach you how to insert a table in Word. So first, under the Insert tab, I'll just show you how if you want to insert a table. Just click on it. These are the different grids. These are grids. How many rows, how many columns. Okay. How many rows, how many columns. So if you watch carefully, I've created a table. I just created a table. So this area, this is called your rows. This is called your rows. First row, second row, and your third row. Top, this is your column, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. So there are 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay, there are 3 rows, 4 columns. Similarly, if I tell you to create a table with 5 rows and 7 columns. So what you can do is just click on the table. So instead of using the grid option, you can just go to Insert Table. I said 5 rows. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, and column 7, 5, 6, 7. So number of columns I want 7, number of rows I want 5. So instead of clicking here, you can just straight away remove this and click on, say I want 4 rows. Click on 4. Okay. Select and click on I want 8. Okay. Either use these arrows, up and down arrow, or you can straight away make use of your keyboard. So I click on OK. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 rows. Okay. Columns, rows. Right? Okay. Let's go back to our insert. We'll remove this table. Okay. Next, most important is your illustration. As I have told you, illustration group. Okay. Under the illustration group, the first option is your picture. So what I can do is I can insert pictures in my Word document. So click on picture. Under the illustration group, click on picture. So when you click on picture, it will take you to your hard disk, your computer. So let's go to, I have some sample pictures here. We will choose one picture, penguins. Let's click on penguins. Click on penguins, click, and click on insert using your left button. Okay, left button, your index finger. Insert. Okay. We have your penguins. I have inserted a picture. Okay. Got it? How do I do it? And once again, I'll show you. Go to insert, click on picture, click on anywhere you want, where are your pictures located. There are a few pictures here. We'll click on the desert. Insert. Okay. This is how you insert images. Next, insert clipart. So when I click on clipart, once I click on clipart, look at the right hand side of my Word document. Click it. Okay. So the clipart gallery appears on the right hand side of my Word document. So we'll find search for. There is a white box here. There's a box here. Just click on the box. Okay, just click on the box and write what you want to search for. Say CAT, cat. Go on go. Okay, there's a cat. There's a cat here. Let's check out. So if you want this image, just click on it. It will appear on the the drawing area. There's a small cat here. So if you want this, the tiger, if you want this, click on it. It appears on the screen. So if you can see, the size is small. Okay, the size of the image is small. The clipart image is small. So if you want to make it big, slowly take your mouse cursor to the edge. Can you see the circles? Just click on the edge. Once you take your mouse pointer to the edge, if you find the arrow change to a double-headed arrow, slanting slightly, just click and drag the image. Click and drag using your index finger. Okay, can you see? I've increased. Similarly, click and drag. You can make it small. As you drag, keep on pressing the mouse button, the left button. Okay, click and drag. Similarly, click this image, click and drag. Okay, got it? This is your clipart image. Okay, next. I'll just remove the images. Next is your shapes. So I want you to try inserting pictures, try inserting cliparts. So there are different cliparts. Okay, there are different cliparts. Batman. No result found. Include office. Okay. So you need to click on include office.com content. So as I am connected to the internet, so if you are connected to the internet, you can get those images which are not there in the system. If this is not ticked, you will not find Batman. Okay, you'll just find whatever predefined clipart images are there when you set up your Word document. You'll just find those clipart images only. So when I said cat, when I wrote cat, I just got 2 images. So if I click on this, include office.com content, click on go. So I'll get various cat. Can you see? These are all from the internet. Okay. Got it? Delete it. So we'll write BATMAN, Batman, and we'll have Batman. Okay. You can add Superman, Doraemon, Pokemon, whatever you want. Okay. Doraemon, Pokemon. Okay, next. We'll move on to shapes. So when you click on shapes, you'll find different shapes, different shapes. Can you see? There are various shapes here. So you can choose any shape you want. Click on the rectangle, click and drag. You have to make use of your index finger and the left button. Click and drag. Okay. Insert shapes. Let's choose the star shape. Click and drag. Got it? So now, if you want to change the color of your shape, so all you have to do is go to Shape Styles, Shape Fill. Can you see Shape Fill? Click here. So choose any color you want. Can you see? Your color is changing. Okay. Got it? Another thing, if you want to, you can even write inside the shape. You can write your text inside your shape. How do I do it? Right click on the shape, right click. Okay. Right click using your middle finger. try and use your index finger to select, your middle finger to right click. So right click and click on add text. So when I have to click on add text, I use my index finger. So that is the left button. Click. Okay, you'll see the cursor blinking here inside the shape. So I write my text. Batman. If I want to increase the size of my text, I have to select, go to home and click this capital A, which has the arrow pointing up. Click it. My text becomes big. If I want to make it bold, click on B. See? Okay, got it? Similarly, on top of the star, right click, add text, STAR, star. Change the size. You can change the color. Okay, got it? On the insert, we know about picture, clipart, shapes. So these are the main three options which we normally use under the illustration group. So next, all this I'll teach you later on. Another interesting option is your word art. That is under the text group. Okay, word art. So click on word art. When you click on word art, you'll get a list of word art gallery. It's called a word art gallery. So you'll find different styles, different A's. Okay, so we'll choose one A. Choose one A. Click. You'll find your text here. Can you see your text here? You just select this, your text here, and you can write your own text. WORDART. Where did word go? Word art. Whatever. Okay. Okay. This is how you make use of your word art option. Okay. You just try it out. If you have any problem, just let me know. Okay.